Today I'm making Maple Soy Grilled Chicken, packed with bold flavor and made with simple, budget-friendly ingredients. This recipe my husband and I actually created together. We like to make a big batch and freeze some of it. Then he'll grab a piece from the freezer and put it in his lunchbox when he heads to work. Let's get started. You'll need about 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, either sliced into thin fillets or pound them to about 1/2 inch. This helps the chicken cook faster, grill evenly, and absorb more of that delicious marinade. Now let's make the marinade. This is where all the flavor comes from. Mix in a bowl all the marinade ingredients. Whisk everything together until the marinade is well combined. You'll smell the garlic and spices right away. That's where the bold flavor comes from. Place the chicken fillets in a zip-top bag or container. Pour the marinade over the chicken, seal it up, and move it around so every piece gets coated. Refrigerate this for 4 to 12 hours so the chicken can soak up all that flavor. When you're ready to cook, preheat your grill to 450 degrees. Remove the chicken from the marinade and place it directly over the heat. Close the lid and grill for about 3 minutes per side. Because the pieces are thin, they cook very quickly. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the chicken to a baking sheet or platter and let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This chicken comes out incredibly flavorful, sweet from the maple syrup, savory from the soy sauce, with garlic, ginger, and a little smoky paprika. Another thing I love is that cooking can be a family event. In our house, we help each other cook, grill, and smoke food together, and that's actually how this recipe came about. And like I mentioned earlier, it's great for making extra for freezing. Just pull a piece out of the freezer for lunches or a quick meal later. Give this recipe a try. For more delicious recipes, explore Carol's Recipe Adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.